Hey, so welcome back to North Fork. I'm Derek. Thanks for joining us today. So today we're going to cut down this oak tree. We just got done cutting down an oak tree right here next to this one, and decided to do another video of this one. We'll try to space them out a little bit. Hopefully they're not right next to each other. But if I spin myself around here, over here by the truck, you can see there's a stump back there. That's the one we just cut down. And so this one here is right next to the play set as well. It's dead. You see the bark coming off of it. And so we want to take this down so it's not a danger to the kids or anything like that. So let's take a look at the tree and then let's get cutting. So here's the tree with the bark off of it. Goes up there and you can see all the limbs are weighted on that side, and that's the way we're going to take it. So there is two trees down here that I don't want to hit either of those trees. The tree on the left is a hickory tree, and I'd like to keep that one as best as I can. If I end up hitting this maple, that won't be too bad. Take some of the limbs off of that. But that hickory tree is a nice tree. I'd like to try to save that one at least. So I want to angle it a little bit towards that maple. So to give you an idea, I'm going to try to straddle those two trees right there. So should be a pretty easy job. Just have to try to get it in that gap there. So it shouldn't be too bad. So this tree is pretty similar size to the other one that I just cut. It's about 14 inches. It's a white oak. Again, it's right next to our septic system. We had a lot of machinery in here, equipment. And so it probably died, ripped up some roots or whatever. So we're gonna take this tree out and use it for some firewood. All right, so I cut that last one and I forgot to wear the helmet, so I figured I should put it on for this one. But using the same saw that I used to fell that one, the MS362. I got the wedges in the axe there in case I need it. I shouldn't, all the weight's out that way, the way I'm falling it. So shouldn't be a problem with wedges, but just in case they're there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you can see, we had a Barber chair there, so there was a lot of weight on that side. I probably should have used a bore cut and used a trigger on it. I just didn't realize there was that much weight on it. So started going before I got done cutting, and I knew it was going, so I just got out of there, started Barber chairing on it. And so the best thing to do in that situation is just get away from it. If this butt kicks back up and hits you, it could be the end of you. So yeah, I could have stayed in it a little bit longer and cut a little bit more on it, but I just wanted to get out of there, and it's down. Didn't get hurt, so that's good. So, all right, so let's get this limbed out. Let's get it marked out and bucked up. Alright, so we got everything bucked up on that tree, and the first tree we cut up still in the truck, so we're going to get everything loaded here, and then we'll be done for the night. So it's supposed to get some snow tomorrow, so I want to try to get most of this cleaned up here, but it's going to get dark on us pretty soon. The sun's just setting over the mountain. But that tree right there, the way Barber chaired, is a good reason why you got to have your head together. Be watching the tree the whole way down, and just be expecting every time for something to happen, and just be ready to react. You know, that, like I said, if I would have stayed in that tree and that could have come up and caught me in the head and the chin, could have been really bad. So you always got to watch out and be prepared for something like that. And also thanks to Addie, she filmed a lot of that as I was bucking that up, and so she's been a big help today. So thank you very much, Addie. Anything you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.